about my walk. I ain't even gotta fuck him, he just love how I talk. I'm embracing the fake, I'm accepting the hate. If I wasn't number one, they wouldn't come from my place.
What's up, y'all? It's here, Monday, aka Barbie Girl C, and I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I got some bundles in the mail and I'm going to open them up with you guys. So let's get right on into this video. So I got my package from Daisyhairextensions on Instagram. It came in this bag right here. Okay, so here is the packaging. It's really pretty. It says Daisyhairextensions on here and it has a phone number, the Instagram, and also the website. It's really cute. So I have 3 bundles and I also have a closure, and this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in this clear pack. I'm gonna take them all out and show them to you guys. So the hair is really soft and really pretty. This is really pretty. As you can see, the ends of the bundles are not thin at all. So I believe the lengths are 16, 18, and 20. I don't remember. Chloe! I really don't remember what length the closure is in, but I'm going to assume it's like a 14 or so. But yeah, these are the bundles. They're really soft, and as you can see, I can run my fingers through it with ease. I'm not sure of the texture, but clearly it's straight hair. And this is what the bundle looks like, if you guys can see that. So this is the 18, this is the 20, and this is the 16. Here is all the bundles for you guys to see. So we have the 20, 18, and the 16. And as you can see, it's a really nice bundle size. Okay. Let's see how long the 20 is. So the 20 inches stops right here, which is pretty long. So it seems true to length, and as you can see, I'm still running my fingers through it. I've been running my fingers through it this whole freaking time because it feels so soft, and I'm not getting any shedding whatsoever. So that's really good. This is really pretty, and it just comes in a natural brown, you know, 1B type of color, which I'm actually going to leave it as this color because I'm not sure if I want to dye it yet or if I want to just go back to my jet black like how I normally do. So to play it safe, I'm just going to wear it in this color for a few, and then I'll probably end up dyeing it whichever color I choose to dye it. So now let's take a look at the closure. So the closure came in one of the plastic bags, of course, and it's also wrapped in this little net. So I'm gonna take it out. And the closure has been bleached. I'm not sure if they come like this or if only this one was bleached, but this one is in fact bleached. And you can see this is a 4x4 closure, and it looks really good. It's really long actually. I really don't know what length this is because it's really long, but as you can see, I'm running my fingers through the closure as well, and I'm not getting any shedding whatsoever. And also the ends are really full on this one too, so it's not like sparse ends or anything. It's thick all the way through. And then let me show you guys. This is really nice. This hair feels really extremely soft. And I'm super excited to put this hair on my head. I think I'm going to make a video on how I make my closure wigs. And also how I install my closure wigs. So be on the lookout for that. Also, these laces look like it has a little bit of tint to it. Again, I'm not sure if they come like that or if, you know, this was just sent to me like this. But if I didn't say that already, this hair was sent to me. So, yeah. Yeah, that's really all I have for this unboxing video. The next video that you guys will see will be me making my wig. Okay, so I'm going to make my wig actually right now so that I can, you know, do all of that and install it and whatever. I think I'm actually going to put it in like vlog mode, sort of, kind of, because I don't really feel like, I'm really enjoying vlogs more because I'm not really into, you know, setting up the camera and all of that for what? When you guys are loving my vlogs. So I might do it like vlog style because I don't want to do like a real tutorial because I really don't feel like doing all that. I just want to do my hair. But I am going to try to record a little bit. So yeah. That was the hair, Daisy Hair Extensions. Make sure you go check them out. Follow them on Instagram and check out the website. They also have hair products that are coming out, or they might already be out. I'm not completely sure. But yeah, this hair looks really good. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see pictures of me with my wig on, just in case my videos are not uploaded in a timely manner or in the time that y'all want them up. So yeah, follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification if you do want to see me make my wig and also install my wig. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Deuces!